everyone, and today on our coding class we will be diving into an exciting challenge called circle tracing using Python and amazing Turtle graphic module. But before we jump into the challenge, let me quickly explain what we'll be doing. In this class, we will learn how to use Python to draw circles, trace existing circles, and fill them with beautiful colors using Turtle graphic library. We will be using functions like pen up, pen down, go to, color, begin fill, and end fill, and more to control the turtle's movement and create amazing artwork. In the circle tracing challenge, we will be given a grid. You can see it start drawing a grid. You will be given a grid with circles, and our task will be to write code to trace each circle and fill it in with a specified color. It's a fun way to combine programming, logic, and creativity. I'll guide you through the code step by step and explain each function and how it contributes to tracing the circles. Now you can see the grid with the circles. Let's get ready. I'll show you how to trace the first circle on our grid. So in our grid, each square is 50 by 50 pixels. And our cursor is currently in the middle of the grid at position 0, 0. The positive values on the x coordinates were at the right side, the negative values at the left side. And the positive values on the y coordinate is upwards and the negative values are downwards. So first we need to position our cursor next to the circle we are going to draw. So we are going to draw the red circle first. So we need to position our cursor to this black dot. How to do it? So first we define the position we need to move the cursor. So as I mentioned, it's 50 by 50 and 0 is here. So we're going back on this position. X coordinate is minus 50 and Y coordinate it's 50 because it's upwards. So basically we go to position minus 50, 50. And we can do it with a function go to minus 50, 50. Yeah. But in this case, it will draw a line from this point to this point. So we don't want to see the line. We need to add pen up, then we go to the position, and after we set pen down, and from this position we can draw our circle. But we also need to select the color. To select the color, we simply say color red. Color red. Next, we need to define the radius of the circle we're going to draw. So each square is 50 pixels. So we have 2.5, more than a half squares. I can guess it's 140 pixels. So that's the diameter. However, we need a radius to draw the circle, so we divide the diameter by 2. So 140 will be divided by 2, it's 70 pixels. So let's say it's 70. So we draw the circle next. To draw the circle, we are using circle command, and radius is 70. Okay, so we draw the circle, but we also need to fill it in with a color. To fill it in with a color, we use begin fill before we draw a circle. Begin underscore fill before we draw a circle, and end fill after we finish drawing the circle. And it's pretty this piece of code, so I'll add a comment, it's a red circle. So this piece of code should navigate to the position and to draw a circle with a radius 70 and fill it in with a red color. So let's check it out. So what I'll do next, I will run this piece of code. It will draw grid once again, and after that it should trace the red circle. So let's check it out. I'm running our piece of code, draw a grid, and it's traced the circle. Well done. So the same way I want you guys to go and trace all the circles and fill it in with different colors. Let's do it.